currently 4:15 a.m. and we're heading out to do a shoot at a graveyard first for a biographical piece to launch a book and some keynote speaking. So our first location is a cemetery. We're gonna start the story here and then we're gonna go to a bunch of different locations and we're just gonna shoot a bunch of pieces. By the end of the day, we're gonna put it all together and it's gonna tell the story.
We did put out for the ancestor of the kangaroo to come through.
So we got our first shot, the kangaroos came right up to us. And then when we were talking about the kangaroos coming right up to us, a dozen more came right up to us.
Yeah.
And it's spiritually significant to Kalka, like crazy significant.
And I firmly believe Troy was one of those, and I believe it was one of the Joeys, because at the same time that I said that to Kai, both of us got goosebumps at the same time.
So now we're gonna eat and get on to the next location, guys. Location number 2. Oh shit. Oh, we need to speed things up, Dave. Just did like 20 takes in the freezing cold water.
What are you ready to let go of?
Go again.
That's a bit aggressive, wasn't
it? The next shooting location with a lot of wind, but we've got a wind mic, so we should be good. So the last locations were in the city. We just finished, it's like a 12-hour shift day.
I tell you what, if you want a mint epic film done, this is the guy. I've been working with him for years, and I tell you what, he's got his shit together. I highly recommend this fella to shoot your films. Creative, imaginative, and puts it all together like you wouldn't believe. Peace out.
I make making videos look easy because it is easy for me. I've been doing it for a really long time. If you want to make it easy for you, check out the link in the description below.